Okay, right now I'm going to show you that how's the brightness of the Core Series 40 USA LED bulbs, and then I'm going to turn on the lights. You can see the beam shape, and then it's quite far. There's no choice. It's a car part. The lights is automatically turned off when something is moving. They have an infrared sensor. Okay, and then I'm going to show you how to remove the LED bulbs and with the Chevrolet Cruze that run with H4 heads. Okay. Before I'm going to remove the bulbs, I'm going to show you how hot is these bulbs running. Okay, this is a laser temperature meter. Okay, you can see after it's turned off within a minute, it's like 36 degrees Celsius of the heatsink belt. I'm sorry. And then with the heatsink inside, it's around 66 degrees Celsius. It's pretty hot. Okay, and okay, so here's the driver, and I'm going to detach the driver first. And there's rubber. There's a clip inside. I'm going to. Is it close enough? Okay. Oh, let me adjust the focus. Okay. Put it closer. Okay. Okay. There's a clip. Just crack it and unplug it. So. It's the box. It's that easy. And this is the H4 head. Normally you just need some string to unplug it hard, and normally I use a screwdriver. Okay. Pretty hard to remove it. Okay. And that is how we remove the original bulbs. And